Hello, this short video is going to introduce you to the Bones Toolkit, kit number 16055. This kit is from the Natural History Museum of Utah. Alright, here's the toolkit. Upon opening the kit, we will see first off, there is a table of contents of what is inside this kit, the specimens and the books. This specific kit does not have any curriculum associated with it, but it is to be used as a supplement to what you're already doing. You notice also that there is a QR code and a website. Please access that so we can get the data that you are using for your kits. And some of the kits do have a survey that you'll need to complete that actually goes back to the entity who we get the kits from. This specific kit has a couple books to go along with it. Books on beaver, one bears, cool books on skulls, and bone collection of animals. Now let's take a look at the specimens specifically. All the specimens come safely secured in foam so as to receive them unbroken. You'll have a fox skull, as well as the skull from a black bear. You have a beaver skull, in addition to a frog skull and a box turtle skull. You'll find a coyote skull, as well as an American white pelican skull. There is a duck skull and a red-tailed hawk skull. And finally, a snapping turtle skull. In addition to skulls, you'll also have a skeleton from a fish and a snake. To reserve this kit, go to myqs.org underneath the Media tab.